What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video I am super excited to share with you because it is my review on the Bali Body self-tanning kit. Such a tongue twister to say that. Bali Body. Try saying it 3 times fast, I promise it's a tongue twister. But anyway, I have been so excited to test out their products. You guys know I love to do at-home self-tanners. Ever since moving to New York, I'm originally from Florida, so I grew up being so tanned, always tanning outside. And then when I moved here, I was so pale and I just never used self-tanners before, so I was kind of new to the whole world, and I tried out so many different products, and I was definitely very excited to try out these products. But now I feel like I'm a self-tanning queen. You guys are always asking me for my updated products, my reviews, everything like that, because you guys know that I usually do a self-tan probably once a week. I just like the feeling of looking tan. But anyway, especially here because I am a white ghost. It's so bad during the winter. But anyway, I'm going to walk you through this product and just go into a quick review for you guys. First off, I love the packaging. I love that it comes in this little clear, cute little button case. Packaging? I don't know. You could definitely use this to travel in, which is what I like because all my other self-tanning kits didn't come with anything like this. So this is just for me. I would love to throw all 3 of these products in when I travel, and I would even put the mitt in here so I don't worry about the mitt transferring any like tanning stuff onto my clothing in my suitcase. So super important. Also, you could use this for other stuff. It's really cute. Anyway, to the important stuff. Oh, I just got self-tanner on my bed. Okay, so moving on, I have the Bali Body self-tanning mousse. This is in the shade dark. Love the packaging on this. It's just like a gorgeous nude bottle. Okay, next we have the face tan water. The cap matches the tan, love that, and it comes with a pump, which I also love. And last but not least, we have the moisturizing lotion. I thought this packaging was so cute and compact, and once again, perfect for traveling or just to throw in your everyday purse. So I'm quickly gonna kind of go through how I prep for a self-tan, and then I'll just do a review on this. I didn't go so much into a demo because first off, when I do a self-tan, I'm naked, so it's not exactly easy for me to film. Plus, I feel like it's really just me rubbing a lotion onto my body. It's like nothing crazy, but don't worry, I'll walk you through how I prep and everything like that and little tips and tricks I have so you are streak free. So first off, if I know I'm self-tanning, let's say I'm self-tanning Wednesday, I'll try to exfoliate Monday and Tuesday. So Monday I'll try to go in with an exfoliating scrub in the shower with the exfoliating gloves or like a loofah or something, and just really kind of exfoliate your skin, get all that dead skin off. And then the day before my tan, I like to go in and shave my whole body. This way it's nice and smooth and I don't get those little brown like specks on my body. That's basically the self-tanner sticking to your little hairs. So you don't want that, so you want to be really nice and smooth. Also, you want to make sure that you're hydrating. So I definitely try to hydrate a lot. I mean, I try to hydrate a lot every single day. It's just good for your skin, but especially before and after you do a self-tan, it'll help it to keep it on longer and it'll help it go on longer. So I try to drink a lot of water the day of, and then once I get out of the shower, I do a light coat of moisturizer, but I really focus it on the dry areas. So like your elbows, your knees, your hands, your fingers, your knuckles, your kneecaps, your ankles, your toes. Any of those areas where the self-tanner kind of clings to, I would just put a little bit more lotion on with those. So that's really all I personally do for prep, because I know some people go into like a whole to-do, but I do this once a week, and time is money, people. So I don't have so much time to do like so much prep before, but I just try to mentally prepare. Okay, I'm shooting Friday, let's try to do a self-tan Thursday, so let's shave Wednesday. Like I kind of just do it quickly like that. But let me get into the review of the product. So after I lightly put a moisturizer on, I used this one for stuff. It smells amazing. And I also love this one for after, but I'll get into that. So first off, I want to say, compared to the other brands that I have used, because I have been a fan of Loving Tan and a fan of Bondi Sands Tan. That did not sound like English. If you don't know like what I'm talking about, that completely did not sound like English, but it was. I am a fan of Loving Tan and Bondi Sands Tan. So now I have something to compare it to. So what I loved more about this product is it glided on my body so smoothly. And I feel like other self-tanners, this is also the mitt I use. It's just like a black velvet mitt. You could get one on their website. So basically what I've noticed with other tanning products and companies, whatever, I'll put like a big pump on the mitt and I'll go to rub it on my leg, and it stains so fast that you can't even like blend it into the whole front of your legs. You use so much pumps to get like just one half of your leg done. That was not the case with this, and I loved that about this. It was so blendable, so easy to smooth, and that to me helps to get as little streaks as possible because you have time to blend it out, where I feel like other ones like stain you right away and you're just like what you're like watching the streaks form, and it's just like stressful and you get overwhelmed. So this, I really like that it was blendable. The smell of this too, I wish I could like, oh my god, it smells so good. It smells like something I've had before. It smells like soap. It does not smell like a self tanner at all, which is good because I know a lot of people hate the smell of self tanners and that's why they don't use it. And I know me personally, some of my friends would like hug me and they'd be like, you smell like self tanner, and I'd be like, that's not what I was going for, but thank you. But that's what I like about this one. It almost smells like cucumbers, or something really fresh, like a soap, which is really, really nice. And what I also liked about this is that I slept with it on. It does say you could shower it off an hour after. I personally noticed the best results. I do it after the shower at night, so probably like 8 or 9 p.m. at night. And then I'll sleep with it and shower it off before I do anything the next day. So at like 8 or 9 a.m., so 12 hours, and that's when I notice it gets me so nice and glowy and tan and dark. But you can shower it off after 1 hour, which is really nice if you have like an event last minute and you want to do like a quick little express tan. That's always good to know. Anyway, what I was saying is that what I love about this too is since I sleep with it, some self tanners make me feel really dirty when I go to bed at night. So this one did not do that, which was really, really nice. I mean, I still recommend anytime I put a self tanner on, I literally look like an abominable snowman when I'm going to bed because I have a huge hoodie on, socks tucked into my sweatpants, and sweatpants tucked into the hoodie. So like none of my skin is touching my white bed. I have white bedding and white sheets, which is probably the worst idea ever for someone who self tans all the time. It's just really it wasn't a good idea. And I probably, next time I buy bedding, I'll buy gray or something because it's so stressful. I have to do my sheets like once a week. It's really annoying. I liked that this didn't feel as dirty. Like after I get a spray tan, I feel disgusting going to bed. Like you just feel really, really gross. But this did not feel that way at all. It was very light and it felt like there was nothing on my body. So after I blended it all out, once again, these mitts make it really easy to get a streak-free tan because they're kind of feel like velvet and they just rub on your body so smooth. So, and this also helped because it was very blendable and it glided easily. So to me, I didn't have any issues with streaks. If this is your first time doing a self tan, don't worry if you do notice some blotches or anything. Once you shower off that like top layer, it'll be completely fine. After I blend it all in, then I wait like probably 5 to 10 minutes before putting any clothes on. So I literally just chill in my apartment naked and just hope that like no one is looking through the windows or anything. Cause yeah, you can't sit anywhere. So you're just like standing, half the times I'm just like standing on my phone answering emails, just like hanging out. But you don't want to put clothes on right away. You don't want to end up like smearing it off or anything like that. And then, like I said, I personally wait a full night and I notice that it's a lot better. It lasts longer and I am so much tanner when I do wait a good 10 to 12 hours. But the next morning I get into the shower and I use cool water, so nothing too hot. Maybe like warm water. I wouldn't say cool. Warm water, nothing too hot. And I just take like a 20, maybe a 30-second shower and I just literally let the water run and you'll see the water is starting to turn orange. Until the water is clear, don't get out of the shower because you don't want to leave it like half on, half off. So you want to shower off that top layer. Don't freak out if you see color coming off you. That's completely normal and that's supposed to happen. So just, I literally do my whole body, make sure after the water's running clear for like 10 seconds, then I get out of the shower and I moisturize. And I used this one and I really, really loved it. It smells like coconuts. Kind of reminds me of the beach. It's really, really nice and it's really light and dries fast. I've been using it every night since my self tan. I did my self tan 2 days ago, guys, and I'm still really dark. I'm hoping you guys could tell in this lighting, but I'm super, super dark. Obviously, if you notice my face is paler, that's not because of the face product. It's because my face in real life is so much lighter than my body. I never really tan my face. So it's always a little lighter, but I purposely didn't really wear any foundation today for you guys. I put a very light tinted moisturizer on because I did want to show you that my face is almost matching my body. I mean, obviously it's still a little bit lighter, but I did this. So basically what I did is I put it on a cotton pad and put it on my face as if it was a toner, and I did that after all my other steps, and I slept with it on and showered it off the next day. So overall, I love these products. I really think these are my go-to. I pulled up the price. I think for these 3 products, it came out to $75, $76, which to me is a great price because usually sometimes some companies, one tanning thing like this is $45. So to throw in the face product and the lotion, that's a great deal. And I also like that they give a face product because your face is more sensitive, the skin. So I don't like to use a mousse on my face. I have very sensitive skin. I break out a lot. So I personally would never use a mousse on my face, so I like how they had a separate product for face tanning. And once again, it matches really well. Don't judge it if my face looks paler. That's just me. I am like a freak, and also I wash my face so much more than my body because I only shower once a day, but I wash my face like 2 to sometimes 3 times a day, and so it obviously comes off a lot quicker for me, so it's probably not even like on my face really anymore because I wash my face a lot. But anyway, I just feel like I stepped off a beach, off of like Bali. I guess that's where they got their name from. I'm really loving it. I'm so excited to start using this. I think the price is amazing, the packaging is great, the smell is great, and most importantly, why I love this the most is, like I keep saying, it was so blendable. I had no weird reactions to it, and I have super sensitive skin, so I feel like if my face can handle it, probably most of yours can. Thanks for watching. As always, if you have any more questions on these products, definitely let me know down below. I love to share my reviews with you guys, and if you guys have anything that I didn't cover, I would obviously love to answer you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next video.